The weight of secrets is heavy. I know firsthand how heavy that weight is. On one hand, you have the man who wants to provide, he wants to protect, he wants to lead, he wants to do all the right things. I refer to this man as Hubbles. On the other side, you got a man who's broken, searching for validation, instant gratification. That man is trouble. Most men are living in that chaos between Hubble and trouble. Secrets don't just separate you from people, they separate you from yourself.
What made you start hiding things in the first place?
You start hiding things because you don't want to hurt the other person. You want to feel like you're in control, that you got the two lives going. You got the husband side going, and you got this other life going, and you feel like you can keep them separate. No one's going to get hurt, and everything's just kind of humming along. The enemy tries to use the illusion of control, making you feel as if you manage your sin, if it's not messy, if no one finds out, no one gets hurt, then everything is okay. But the truth is, you can't walk in freedom while protecting what's destroying you. Galatians 5:1 teaches us, it is for freedom that Christ has set us free.
You know, that secret affects your peace.
There is no peace, right? That whole lifestyle is chaos. Either side is bothered by the other side. And that's like the inner voice, the inner struggle. That's the Hubbles versus troubles. That's the light versus the dark. There is no peace. This is when you start living the double life, Hubbles versus trouble. On one hand, you love your wife, you love your partner. On another hand, that same heart is falling victim to temptation. A text here, a look here, everything you want is split into two. And that's what happens. You start blurring the truth with the lie to the point where you don't even know what's the truth anymore.
What was the moment you realized you couldn't keep living that way?
When it almost cost me my marriage, when I could see that I had hurt the person that I love and that everything I thought I would get from a marriage was about to be destroyed. That was a wake-up call that hit me in the face, and something had to change.
What changed when you finally
When I finally confessed to God, the weight of everything was off my shoulders, because God doesn't condemn us. The enemy is the one who condemns us. He tells us that you're not good enough, you shouldn't be in church, you're not worthy, tells you all these things. But confessing to God is the start of repentance and the start of living for the audience of one. And you can depend on him to now be your accountability. He's the light, right? He's the person who's going to redeem you. And so, yeah, that confession really started my journey of restoration. That's the power of the light. It exposes, but it also restores. You can't heal in isolation. Healing happens in community. Galatians 6:1 says, if someone is caught in a sin, you who live by the Spirit should restore that person gently. Walk with brothers who have been there and found freedom. The weight of secrets crushes you if you try to carry it alone. That's what the Brotherhood is all about. A safe space where men can confess, they can start over, they can rebuild, and ultimately be on the path to be restored. Join us this Saturday, 3 p.m. Hawaii time, as we get together and hold each other accountable.